Hello, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Note 13P. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Tap Explore Wallet. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add a card, check quick tips, and add passes like transit pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go to settings, you've got access to all wallet tips. Tap to Pay Setup, where you can set payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, and if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. In participating banks, you can check full list of participating banks in Google Wallet. Next, you've got access to Password Manager, your data in Wallet where you can manage payments data and manage passes data, Wallet Settings where you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. Then you can go to Help and Feedback and your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.